The magnitude 7.2 earthquake, which occurred on Saturday, August 14, was just 78 miles west of the capital of Port-au-Prince. The death toll has risen to 1,419 as rescuers continue to look for survivors in the rubble. At least 5,700 people were left injured, with thousands displaced from their destroyed homes. The Queen wrote to Haiti's Prime Minister Ariel Henry on Monday, sending a message of condolence. She wrote, "I am deeply saddened by the tragic loss of life and destruction caused by the earthquake in Haiti. My thoughts and prayers are with those who have lost their lives, loved ones and homes, as well as the emergency services working in the recovery effort. Elizabeth R. Her Majesty is currently staying in Balmoral over the summer and is expected to return to Windsor Castle in October. The Queen has been joined at Balmoral Castle over the summer by the Prince of Wales and the Duchess of Cornwall, the Duke of York and Sarah Ferguson. There are now concerns the rain from Tropical Depression Grace, which is due to hit Haiti on Monday and Tuesday, could cause landslides in the worst affected areas." Mr. Henry declared a state of emergency after the earthquake, and mobilized resources to help victims. Hospitals across the country have been pushed to the brink and roads carrying critical supplies remain blocked. Mr. Henry said, "When it comes to medical needs, this is our biggest urgency. We have started to send medications and medical personnel to the facilities that are affected. For the people who need urgent special care, we have evacuated a certain number of them, and we will evacuate some more today and tomorrow." This is not the first time Haiti has been devastated by an earthquake. In 2010, almost 250,000 lives were lost and 300,000 people were injured in a huge 7.0 magnitude earthquake. The 2010 quake resulted in about 1.5 million individuals living in displaced camps.